Okay, so right here we have a three-way struggle for who's going to get the Pringle lid.
Look at these guys.
They're so entertaining. When you do that little circle thing. There they go. Oh, and looks like it's Roku that's taking off with it, but Maju won't have it. Oh, Maju has it. And let's see. And you have Kobe. See, Kobe's starting to chew on the TV tray over there. So, oh, that's okay. We don't care to play with the slippers. I'm just going to spray with the bottle. Ooh, look at that little thing go. Okay, somewhere around here we have Mari. Mari, where are you, Mari? I don't see you. I bet you anything she's going to be underneath. Let's go over here and see. Nope, not there. She has to be under one of these recliners. Let's see. Start with this one. Mari, are you under? There she is. Look at that. This little girl is so small that she can fit under everything. So when you get her home, be really careful, because she can disappear on you fast. And these three are doing what? Yeah. You know, people say, oh, you're lucky, you get to make money just raising puppies. Boy, this is worse than raising. How did you get over there? Get over here. See what I mean? This is worse than raising kids. No worse than toddlers. Why are they worse than toddlers? Because they have 4 feet. They can run twice as fast and disappear. And Shiba Inus are so maneuverable. Woo! They have maneuvers that you would not believe. Okay, let's see. Oh, here it goes. Sibling. It's trying to get out to that over there. That's Roku. And Roku. And let's see. Oh, Mari. Okay, Mari is a furniture chewer, so be careful. Hey, no. Mari. No. No. Coco. No. No. See, I just say no and spray them with just water. Nope. Nope. Mari. That's how you do it. A firm no. Spray them with a bottle until they understand it's not allowed. Now watch. See, there goes Coco again. Coco, no. No. She's trying to decide. Let's see if she does. Nope, she's learning. Okay, where's the others? Whoa, we actually went back in the exercise pen to get their toy. See that? Now watch. Oh, did you see that leap? Oh, I'll tell you, Shiba Inus amaze me. These little puppies. Oh, look at that. There they go. Shiba Inus can just leap over stuff like you would not believe. Now I warn you, when they get to adults, one of ours can jump 5 feet high. So if you have a backyard and the fence is only 5 feet high, I wouldn't leave them unattended. Because I wouldn't be surprised if they hop over it. Oh, there they are. There's Coco. We don't care, they play with the blankets. Let's see. Okay.